Paneer Lababdar is a popular paneer gravy dish. This recipe is more Punjabi style than Mughlai style with the use of onions, tomatoes, cashews and spices. The gravy is creamy, mildly tangy and faintly sweet. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to my channel. So let's see the ingredients that we need to make this recipe. Paneer pieces, grated paneer, chopped onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, sliced green chilies, coriander leaves, cashew nuts, peeled almonds, fresh cream, melon seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, kasuri methi, cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, sugar, salt and butter. First, in a pan, take half cup of water. Into this, add tomatoes. I have taken 4 to 5 tomatoes, 10 cashew nuts, 2 teaspoons of melon seeds. Now add 1.5 inch sliced ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 5 peeled almonds, 2 cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now cover the pan and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. After 7 minutes, open the lid, stir a little. I'm just taking the tomatoes. Tomatoes are nicely cooked. Now put this into a blender jar and make a fine paste. Now you can see it's a very nice and smooth paste. The color is also so vibrant. Keep it aside. Into a pan, take around 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt the butter. Temper the butter with bay leaf, slitted green chilies, 2 finely chopped onions. Fry them nicely. Fry the onions until they are translucent. Now time to add our spices. I'll first add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder to add more color, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Add salt to taste. Cook all the spices with the onions nicely. Make sure the raw smell of the spices are gone. Now time to add previously made tomato paste. We chop tomatoes, garlic, cashew, almonds and melon seeds and whole spices. Mix them nicely. Now add water. Cook this well. You also can add little bit of sugar to balance the taste. Mix very nicely. Cover the pan and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium flame, not on high flame. After 8 minutes, open it up, stir a little and add half cup of water to make nice gravy. Now add grated paneer. Mix with the gravy. Now add paneer pieces, which is cottage cheese. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Coat them nicely with the gravy. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and kasuri methi. Mix all them very nicely. This recipe was requested by Pamela Ghosh. Switch off the flame and add fresh cream and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. It's a very unique recipe, I can say. It's quite a lengthy process, but when you will taste it, you will get your reward. Paneer Lababdar is ready. Serve paneer lababdar with roti, naan, lacha paratha also. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. Give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.